A blinking red light on your Greenworks 40-volt charger indicates the battery management system has halted the cycle due to extreme temperatures, dirty contacts, or a deep discharge, and performing a hard reset or jump start will fix the error. The charger's safety mechanism prevents power delivery when it detects conditions that could damage the lithium-ion cells. The most frequent cause is a temperature lockout. If you just finished using your yard tool, the battery cells are too hot to safely accept a charge. Remove the battery and let it rest at room temperature indoors for a full hour. Do not place it in a freezer or refrigerator. While waiting, unplug the charger from the wall outlet for 10 minutes. This drains the internal capacitors, clearing the error memory and performing a hard reset. Dirty communication terminals will also trigger the red flashing light. The charger relies on those metal contacts to read the battery's temperature and voltage. Wipe the metal prongs on both the battery and the charger base using a dry microfiber cloth. For oxidized contacts, use a cotton swab lightly dipped in rubbing alcohol to scrub the metal surfaces. Allow the components to dry completely before sliding the battery back onto the dock. If the battery has been sitting in storage for months, the voltage has likely dropped below the charger's minimum detection threshold. The charger assumes the dock is empty and flashes red. You must manually boost the voltage using a fully charged 40-volt battery. Connect the positive terminal of the good battery to the positive terminal of the dead one with a wire, and do the same for the negative terminals. Hold the connection for exactly 15 seconds. This transfers enough surface charge for the dead battery to bypass the charger's lockout mechanism and resume a normal charging cycle.